Okay, so now when you open your laptop, right? So the first thing we do, let's start to practicalize what we've learned, right? So now let's go to our chart. Let me use BTC, right? So this is it. So the first thing you need to do, you need to ask yourself, uh, what? Hey, let me delete all this many things. So we said that when you come or when you open your laptop, the first thing you need to do is what? Check what type of market is this, right? If it is trending market, or if it is ranging market, or if it is shopping market. So, and we learned that the characteristics of a trending market is that it has what? Higher high, higher low, right? Lower high and what? Lower low for a downtrend, and higher high, higher low for what? An upward trend, right? And we said that to know that a market is trending, you have to start from the what? Higher what? Time frame, right? To get bigger picture. And if the market is trending upward, we should look for what? Buying what? Opportunities. And if the market is trending downwards, we should look for what? Selling what? Opportunities. Good. So now this is what? BTC market, and we are starting from the daily, because daily is also what? An higher what? Time frame. So now we want to learn how to apply support and what? Resistance. So look now. See, I'm zooming it out so I can see the trend. Can you see it now? Can you see it? Can you see it? You have zoom out now. You see now from here like this to here like this, uptrend, right? So good. So now let's start putting in our support and what? Resistance. I'm still at the what? Daily what? Time frame, right? Where am I? Shit, I've gone too far. Let me use this side. This 223 to upward. So look now. Look. You see the impulsive first. This is the impulsive. This one is an impulsive move. Adjustment, right? So look now. Market now goes up to break this previous what? High, right? So look. Right? So look now. I want to draw my support zone. I can use rectangle, can use a horizontal line. Let me use rectangle. So from here now, this is the what? The previous high, that's the HH, right? We say that in an uptrend, the swing point is at the what? Higher high. So you drag it like this. So like this now. You see it now. So it means that if market now touches this zone, it will likely go what? Up. But look now, it came, it did not touch, then it went upward. What will you do? Nothing. So far, it didn't touch where you anticipate. There's no need entering the market. Now, like this now, I won't enter. It will go up, but I won't enter.
What are the stages at this day and stages up?
You might not know if you are in that time now, you might not know that is the actual beginning. You will do what you know, what you are sure of, right? At least what you know of. So now this now is the support zone. This now is the support zone. Support zone. So this now is the support zone. You see it now. So now market did not touch it, but it almost was touched it, right? That's our own bad luck. But it went what upward. There's something that happened that it did, but that is advanced. But let's focus on what support and resistance. Hmm? So look now, it almost touched what support, but it did not what touch it, right? So we leave it. Guess what? It broke another high again, right? Can you see this thing? So I will mark that point again. Now look this one now. It touched. You see now, come see this one. It touched it all. It not touch the first part. You say, hey, it left me behind. I did not enter this bar. But don't be patient. If you come to you one day, guess what? This is daily. This is, look at it now. Look at it now. As one day, let me zoom in. You see it now. It's 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, 11. You get how many days? You see, before you now finally touch this one. Guess what? You see the sharp movement. Can you see it? Can you see it? Let's imagine you enter this one now. So it touched and came here. It didn't break this thing properly. That's why it came back again to gain more momentum to break through. You see now. Did you understand this thing? So now this is now the previous high here, right? For here now, here's the previous high, right? Here's the previous high, right? Right? This is not the previous high, right? But market came here, it was struggling to break it. And you know that the characteristics of an option market is that it always breaks the previous high, right? Now look at this is what we call sideways market now. It was touching up and down, up and down, up and down. For me personally, if you want to trade a sideways market, I wait for it to break to form a trending market. I don't trade sideways like this because of too much noise. So look now. So let's focus on where we are. So this place now is not this what support, right? Do you understand? You are getting this thing. Please, oh, hey God, I know you are getting it. This support zone. So watch how market reacted in this place. It went what up. So it's at this zone you what buy. So here is where you what buy. Let's say it came here now, you bought now, and it came here. It's good. You are free to exit the market here because it has come to the resistance like the previous what high, but just that it didn't break it, right? Came down again, and still you see market always respect the what the support and resistance what level. You see it came back again to give those people that did not enter that time. So yeah, no, let me give you guys. God bless you. Opportunity to what enter again. It came down again and bought again, and this time it what it broke. Was it broke? It broke. It broke the previous what high. No, it broke this one, right? So now this one now is now our new high. This one now that it broke. So let me just use the rectangle too, so you see it properly. See it now. You see it now. So it has broke it, right? So you see drag them down because it's still trending upward, right? Because the more it breaks, the more it's trending what upwards. You are still waiting again. That okay. Let's say you have exited now, You are still waiting for another what buy what opportunity. Now you've exited the what market, right? So you are waiting. You know, come. Abi? So it broke to here, right? It broke to this point, right? And you retrace again. right? Then we were waiting for it to come here, right? But it did not what come. Not be your fault. Not be you cause am. Leave it like that. But I know that thing will be doing okay that don't worry, enter, don't worry, leave like that. It's better you see your capital for your empty five than some left or some leaves. Do you get? So now here now becomes here now become our support zone again. Abi?
Yeah.
So do I'm joining into I'm squeezing this time. So I'm squeezing it like this. You see now. You see it now. So here now becomes what the previous, right? Market still broke, continued. So now this one became our previous high, right? I will drag it again. I'm still waiting for it to touch this thing one day. I'm still waiting. Don't worry, it will come to me. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. See it here, right? Yeah, Abi. Do you see? Look now. Look now. It came from after it has broken this one. Before it now came to touch this one. Not many days with that one. That's why sometimes I might trade once a week, twice, 4 times per month. You understand? Because that's how I trade. So look now, it came down here, but this thing is a sharp movement, it's a sharp movement. Don't forget here is still another previous high too. Sure? So let me still highlight it. So you draw your support from the previous word highs, right? You see, even if this one came, yeah, on still touch again too. Always respect it. Always respect it. Now look now. This is the previous high, right? Previous high. This is the previous high. Let me drag it. Let me do something for it. This is the previous high, right? Right? Then previous, then lower, higher low, right? Right? You see, I'm doing it step by step. All this will take time now, me. Then it went here. You see it now? Can you see it? Now it has broken this previous high. It has formed a new high. You see it now? It's here now, right? Where will you buy? Until it touched here now, be? So even if it's playing all this display like this, don't do anything, you leave it. Just set your alert like this. Come here like this. Set it like this. See alert. This one is all this week are just they are formed with news when there's a sharp news. Do you understand? Sharp news, something happened. Let's say Donald Trump. That's why Donald Trump said that they will buy more of crypto, more of Bitcoin. Those things they make people they react to the market instantly. See, Donald Trump said everyone will buy. And all this, those everyone also do something at the same time causes this week. Do you get? So now look. Let's say it touches this thing and what entered now. Still came here to touch this one. This one is the previous support. So it's still valid. It's still what? It's still valid. It came here, touch it, and touch this one because this one is the major previous one, right? Then it went and broke. Look, don't forget here is the previous high now. Sure? Let me highlight it again. Here's the previous high, right? Here's the previous high. You see now? Here's the previous high, right? So it's safe for me to draw it like this. Right? It's safe now, because so it means that this all this you are seeing now is a retracement, but you need to enter buy, you see, and in the daily it is retracing. We are entering buying. You are fighting against the thing because this thing is retracement. Do you get? But our own is that we are buying at the beginning of the what impulsive what move. So it means we will buy somewhere here, and not all these ones, not these ones, not these ones, not this one, but at this zone, right? Are you getting it? And guess what? It always breaks. Once it breaks, it means the trend is what is still what continuing in. Can you see it? So it's break.
Let me ask you a question. Where you are is now,
Mm.
the way you get there now,
Yeah.
you're only just to immediately go down to the lower type to get the entry spot there before you enter.
Yeah, simple. So when you go to the lower time frame, you will find this is buy, right?
Yes.
You find bullish pattern
Yes.
in that lower time frame. Once it occurred in that lower time frame, you buy it. I'll teach you those patterns too. We will now analyze fully. Now look, it now came to here, right? Right? Then it retraces to here, right? Then since it's still trending up, right? We'll put our support here, our support zone here, right? So that in case market broke it, it will what? It will come to that point and what? And buy, right? Now look, let me use a rectangle 2. Let me use rectangle 2. And look now. It broke it, right? It broke it, right? It broke it, right? Look, it broke it, right? Broke it. But it did not respect this support zone. It did not what? Respect it. Instead, it respected this one here. This is previous low, right? So now, look, it did not respect this support here, right? It broke it and came to meet this lower low. Sorry, higher low. Higher low can also be a support too, because it's still at the ground, right? I think I need to touch it. It's still the ground too. Abi? Okay. So it came here like this now, but it did not break this previous high now, because now this one now is not the new previous high.
Yes.
Abi?
Yes.
So it means market wants to change what? Trend. That's what I will teach next. Let me use rectangle 2. So it means market wants to change trend. I will teach you that one. I'm coming. Let me use rectangle 2 so that it will be very, very visible. See it now. Now it failed to break this previous high. Now it's going against the uptrend's characteristics. Sure? It's going against it because for uptrend it always breaks the previous high. Now it did not break it. So it means something is about to happen. As a trader, you have to leave it and allow that thing that wants to happen before you make your decision. Simple. Even if it will take time, leave them. Go to another chart and analyze. But for Bitcoin at that moment, you leave it. Do you understand? Yeah, they have so many charts. you can make money from. So came here, it did not break. So I will teach you how a trend changes. If a trend wants to change, it breaks the previous low or teach you down. So that's what happened here now. So it broke this previous low. This previous low. The moment it breaks it, it has changed from uptrend to downtrend. See it now. So look now, downtrend, right? So now it becomes the impulsive, it becomes retracement, it becomes the impulsive like this. The it becomes the retrace. You see right? That one is news that causes sharp week.
Which is news can also affect your setup now.
Yes, now news. Like this one now, they used to take some people now and leave. That's why in news you should be very, very careful and cautious. Now look now. Impulsive retracement, then impulsive again. But now it has not break this one fully, you see. So it's still ranging like dancing. But we now know that it's at the what? Downtrend. Right? Good. So that's practically how to draw your support. Let me look for a downtrend. Look this downtrend now. Let me focus on this downtrend now. So that we can apply support and resistance. So for a downtrend, we look for what? Selling what? Opportunity, right? So look now, I've zoomed out first now. I've seen this thing. So let's analyze this place now from here to here. Now look. So for a downtrend, our focus is what? To look for what? Sell what? Opportunity, right? So now, and to get that sell opportunity, you have to look for that opportunity at the beginning of the what? Impulsive what? Movement, right? So now, let's find the beginning of our impulsive movement with the help of support and resistance knowledge. Now look now, see you. Let me drag it. Let me draw it now. Holy shit, network. Network is all in this thing. Now look now. You see it now. Impulsive, right? Look. Impulsive, right? Right? Retracement, right? Right? Then impulsive, right? Because it broke this previous low, right? Right? And in a downtrend, the swing point is the what? Lower low, and that lower low is our now what? Resistance what? Level. So let's drag it now. Let's mark that point now. Do you see it now? Can you see it? Market almost came there. You see now? It's not coming back now. So now, let's say it has broken it now and it's here now. We wait for it to come to this zone before we initiate sell or think of what? Selling. Do you get? So now we are waiting. Let's wait. We are waiting. It almost got there, right? Right? Almost got there. But it's not our fault. We'll leave it. Don't jump into it. Leave it. Yes, that's the hard truth, but leave it. But what? Say leave it. Now look now. It broke again. See? It broke again. Right? Now this one becomes our previous low. So we drag it again. Hey, sorry. I'll use my rectangle too. I'll use my what? Rectangle 2, right? At the previous low, right?
Yes.
Look me.
Yes.
Are you getting this thing?
Yes.
Now look. See wetin touch am. Now look, oh, it broke this one. This one. It has broken it, right? Right? So I'm waiting for you to touch this my what? Resistance level. Right? We're almost done. Let me just finish this one. Let me be fast a bit. So look, resistance soon, right? Now look, oh, we are waiting for you to come here, right? Before we say Abi. Then almost it did not touch it. Sure? It did not touch it, right? Then we say, it's no come, no come, no come. We left it like that. We broke again. From another one here again. But guess what? The second one now, it's going to touch it. You see, I think that if it did not touch that one, it might respect the second one. So you just have to wait and be what? Patient. So it now moves and touch this one that we were waiting for before. Abi? Sure? Ask me questions. So, Abi? Then we can still mark this one too. We can mark it in case. Just in case. Abi? But look, oh, mark it, touch this one. It did not break it. It did not break it. So that means something is about to happen. Just hold on. Abi? This one now is not the previous word. Sure? Sure? Right? 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 Look me. Then it came here and it told this place, this resistance zone, it's for me to not sell yourself. It came to meet you, Nabi. Yes. It came to meet you. So you will sell it well. Then you put your TP somewhere at the previous high, right? The previous low, right? Then you exit. Because we will wait for it to go there. Like that. If it breaks, or if you see things that it will break through, you can shift your SL, like what you said last time. You can shift your SL and protect some profit and leave it. It's called break even. You can shift your SL from there and put it at the front of your trade to protect some profits. Do you get? So you know that so many people are selling here now, with this. Those people that have this knowledge of support and resistance now, they are selling from here, meaning their set trade is here now. Sure? Then it came like this. Some people see head. You see, it went back again to touch it again. It went back to touch it again to tell you that, okay, this product did not enter at first. Okay, we are giving you another opportunity to enter again. So it went there. So it went there again. You see it now, it went there again and gave some people opportunity again. And it started coming down. But it still did not see who break this previous low and even this previous low. It means it's forming higher low small. Right? So guess what? It came and it went here. Came down again. All these ones are beyond you. No, because I'm so in advance, there's what we call liquidity. It came to eat people that were selling it. So I'm not selling them once, but once it's now. But it's chopping now too. The way as advance, no, you get those things. So it came here, and guess what? It broke. Somebody tell me now, it broke, right? Right? No, this is the previous what? Low. Guess what? You jog and come again. They are still waiting. You are supposed to what touch that before you what sell again, abi? Good. Guess what now? It came again and it touched there again. It's at this point you will now sell again. Are you getting it? It's at this point you will now sell. So we are waiting and it came and touched this place. Don't forget, yes, your what? Resistance what? Zone. Your resistance what? Zone. Came there again. Touched again. You see the full force? Broke. You know how much you make here? Broke. So where is now your next resistance zone? Tell me. Where is now your next resistance zone? Like this. So where is now your next resistance zone like this now? Just touch it. Okay, we are at this point. We are in this point. We are here now, abi? Sure, we are here now.
Yes.
Let me hear what we do now.
Yeah, now we do.
Let me hear what we do like this. So,
Yeah.
touch on. On a steady still now. We are here, right? Sure, we are here now.
Yes.
This market now, we sold here, okay?
Yes.
And it broke this previous low and it came here. So where is now the next resistance zone? Wait. Is it there? We are here. Let's say this has not occurred now. We are here now. Let's say we are here. Let's reverse time to here now. We are here now. It has broken this previous low and it's now here. Where is now the next resistance zone that we wait for and sell it?
We wait until you get to win.
So when we touch the resistance,
Main one, I think this one should be the next one.
you guys are never. Hey, no, not do this thing. Where is the previous? Where do we put our resistance zone? At the what?
Let's take. We wait until you get to this point.
No. Look now. It has broken, right?
Yes.
We are here now. Example now. We are here, abi? It has broken, right? And we drew our resistance zone, right? Because the resistance zone is always at the what? Previous low, abi?
Yes.
Now we withdrew it now. Now it has touched it fine. And it has broken it now. So where is now the next resistance zone?
This one should be here now.
Let me get in one key go touch here. Short, I give am $1.
No, not call you. Not your money now.
Where is the next resistance zone? I'll give person $1. Hey God.
First, bring it back.
It's simple now.
See here. This place here.
Where? Hey God. Where is the next resistance zone? Now, this one has played that, abi? It has played that, abi? It has played that. It has broken it, abi? It has touched this resistance zone and we sold it, abi? It has now broken this previous what? Low, abi? So where is now the next resistance zone?
This button.
Sure. That's the point now.
Give us our 100.
Sure. Don't abeg. See now, this is the next one is what? Zone. The previous low and the previous high is always the resistance zone and the support zone. For a downtrend, the previous low is what? Resistance what? Zone. Therefore, for an uptrend, the previous high is what? Resistance zone. Now look now, it has come, it has broken this previous what? Low, abi? It has broken it like this. So now you now mark this place that here now is now my what? Resistance for what zone. So I will not sell until market touches this what? Zone. Do you get? Abi? So until market touches this point now, let me draw it to where so you see it now. You see market taper am small. You see am now. Came there. You saw it now. Came here. So it's for me you will sell it again until it comes to this previous what? This previous low. So now it will now come and break this previous low again. Abi? Because if it doesn't break it, it means the market is about to change from downtrend now, or it's ranging, because the characteristic is that it must always break the previous low, and it must always break the what previous what high to continue the what the trend. Can you get it? Sure, you're getting it. You're getting it. So if we want to sell now, if at this point we will sell the market, we will sell it to enjoy ourselves until it comes to this previous point. This thing is very simple, but I understand that this is your first time, so it will be kind of confusing. But don't worry. You see now. So market came here. It wanted to break, but it did not break. Went back again. Wanted to break again, but it did not break. Wanted to break again. So until it now what broke. Right? Now what? It now what broke, abi? So now this is not your what resistance what? So you drag down to that next point. You see, abi? Drag out to the next point. So here's now your resistance what? So, abi? Now what show? So if you want to sell now, we will now wait for it to come there, right? So now it's the resistance zone. Now look now, see what now happen. So we wait for it to come to this zone, right? To set, to continue to sell, right? Until the trend is over. Now look now, it almost touched that point. Watch. All those ones too, they are still previous low to one can be. So you can see make it to be big a bit. You see like this. That's why it's not just line, it's a zone. You get? So it came again and tap it again. See now. Let me remove this thing. Let me remove this one. So you see clearly. So it came again and touched it again. See now. Can you see it? See. It touched the zone. See now. And it sold small. Sold for like 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 weeks. For 1 week, you know, to get out what kind of big money, you go help yourself. 7 days holding now, not small money. Even 1 day, if you hold trade for 1 day, good money. 2 days now, good money. Yeah. How much more for 7 days? So it came to this resistance zone again. See, it transformed. It transformed again, and what came down. So, but you know that it couldn't break this previous low. So it's about to change. So maybe the trend is over. So it wants to change from downtrend to uptrend. So what it does is that it breaks all these swing point. Don't worry, I'll shoot down. So for now, let's stay here. So hope you get it. Hope you get it.
Yes.
So these are, you draw your resistance zone and have to draw your support zone. So thank you. Any question? Ask me on the comment section or anywhere or in the class. Thank you.
Yeah.